Looking for the perfect romantic escape in the Caribbean? Let me take you through everything you need to know about Sandals Halcyon Beach in Saint Lucia, a resort that promises paradise for couples seeking an intimate, all-inclusive getaway. This adults-only property sits right on the stunning shores of Smuggler's Cove in Rodney Bay, and after diving deep into what it offers, I can tell you there is plenty to unpack about this tropical haven. When it comes to accommodations, Sandals Halcyon Beach keeps things refreshingly straightforward with 169 rooms spread across 4 main categories, each designed with romance in mind. Let me walk you through what you can expect. The entry-level luxury room gives you about 400 square feet of tropical comfort, featuring a king-size bed dressed in crisp white linens, a private balcony or patio where you can sip your morning coffee while gazing at lush gardens or catching glimpses of the Caribbean Sea, and a marble bathroom with a walk-in shower. Every room comes stocked with air conditioning, ceiling fans for those who love that tropical breeze, a flat-screen television, complimentary Wi-Fi, a minibar that gets refreshed daily with premium beverages and snacks, a coffee maker for early risers, a safe for your valuables, and all the basics like a hairdryer and iron. Some of these rooms even feature hammocks on the balcony, which honestly sounds like the perfect spot for an afternoon nap. Moving up the ladder, the premium level rooms offer about 40 more square feet and upgrade you to oceanfront or beachfront views. These rooms feature elegant 4-poster beds that really amp up the romantic atmosphere, larger bathrooms with both tub and shower options including clawfoot tubs in some units, and a dedicated sitting area where you can relax after a day at the beach. The beachfront units give you direct access to the sand, meaning you can literally roll out of bed and be on the beach in seconds. For those wanting the full luxury experience, the club-level rooms at 495 square feet include personal butler service throughout your stay, an enhanced minibar stocked with premium liquors and top-shelf spirits, nightly turn-down service with chocolates on your pillow, plush bathrobes and slippers, and access to an exclusive club lounge where you can enjoy continental breakfast, afternoon tea, and an honor bar. At the top tier, the Penthouse Club Level Suites span 600 square feet and feature a separate living area perfect for entertaining or just spreading out, a jetted tub positioned to take in ocean views, a spacious walk-in shower, and full butler service that includes arranging everything from private beach dinners to spa appointments. Select penthouses even offer private rooftop terraces where you can stargaze with a bottle of champagne. Now, it is worth mentioning that while the official photos look absolutely stunning with their professional lighting and perfect staging, recent guest photos reveal that some rooms show their age with dated fixtures and worn furnishings. The good news is that Sandals completed partial renovations in 2023 with new bedding and upgraded air conditioning units, and they have announced plans for a comprehensive renovation in late 2026. So if you are booking soon, you might want to ask about recently refreshed rooms, and if you are planning for late 2026 or beyond, you should be walking into completely updated accommodations. Now let us talk about food, because at an all-inclusive resort, dining can make or break your vacation experience. Sandals Halcyon Beach features 5 distinct dining and drinking venues, each offering unlimited visits throughout your stay with no wristbands or vouchers required. The main restaurant, Cayenne, serves elegant Caribbean fusion cuisine in a sophisticated setting that requires resort elegant attire for dinner, which means no shorts or flip-flops in the evening. The menu showcases local flavors with dishes like grilled snapper caught fresh from local waters, decadent lobster thermidor that practically melts in your mouth, and creative sides like plantain soufflé that puts a tropical twist on classic comfort food. They also offer solid vegan and vegetarian options, which is refreshing to see at a Caribbean resort. Cayenne operates for breakfast from 7 to 10 in the morning, lunch from 12:30 to 3 in the afternoon, and dinner from 6:30 to 10 at night. Reservations are required for dinner and can be made through the Sandals app, and they host themed nights throughout the week, including a Caribbean lobster feast every Wednesday that guests rave about. For something completely different, Kimonos brings Japanese teppanyaki dining to the beach with an intimate 24-seat restaurant where skilled chefs prepare hibachi steak, shrimp, and fresh sushi rolls right before your eyes. The 5-course dinner experience runs from 6 to 10 in the evening, and this venue books up quickly, so make your reservation as soon as you check in. The steak selection is impressive, and watching the chefs flip shrimp into their hats never gets old. If you want something more casual, the Beach Bistro serves Italian favorites right on the sand from 8 in the morning until 10 at night. Their wood-fired pizzas are legitimately good with crispy crusts and generous toppings, the pasta dishes come in huge portions, and the tiramisu is the perfect way to end a meal. This is a walk-in venue with no reservations needed, and they host pizza parties that draw crowds. For drinks and light bites throughout the day, Bar Halcyon operates as a swim-up beach bar from 10 in the morning until midnight, serving tropical cocktails, cold beers, and snacks like jerk chicken skewers while you lounge in the water or on the sand. Swimwear is perfectly acceptable here, and they feature live music every evening that creates a wonderful ambience as the sun sets. Finally, the piano bar offers a more refined atmosphere from 5 in the evening until 1 in the morning, serving premium spirits, craft cocktails, and light appetizers in a lounge setting where a talented pianist takes requests and leads sing-alongs. The dress code here is smart casual, and it is a favorite spot for nightcaps. Guest reviews consistently praise the food quality and variety, with particular love for the fresh seafood and attentive waitstaff, though some mention occasional service delays during peak dinner hours when the restaurants fill up. The pool and beach situation at Sandals Halcyon Beach deserves serious attention because this is where you will likely spend a significant chunk of your vacation. The resort features 2 outdoor freshwater pools, each with its own personality. The main pool spans about 3,000 square feet and ranges from 1.2 to 1.5 meters deep, making it perfect for both swimming laps and lounging around. This pool features the swim-up bar where bartenders serve drinks without you ever having to leave the water, waiter service, so you can order food right to your lounger, and plenty of comfortable seating around the perimeter. The atmosphere here is social and lively, with music playing and guests mingling throughout the day. For those seeking tranquility, the smaller adults-only pool offers an infinity edge that creates stunning photo opportunities as it appears to blend into the Caribbean Sea beyond. This pool has a much quieter vibe, with guests reading books, napping, and generally embracing the relaxation. Both pools are open from 7 in the morning until 10 at night year-round, with complimentary towels provided and refreshed as needed. But the real star of the show is the beach itself. Smuggler's Cove stretches for 270 meters of powdery white sand that feels like silk between your toes, with calm, clear waters perfect for swimming and snorkeling. The cove shape provides natural protection from strong currents, making it safe and comfortable for hours of water play. Beach butlers roam the sand taking drink and food orders, delivering them right to your lounger so you never have to interrupt your tanning session. The resort includes a comprehensive array of non-motorized water sports completely free of charge, including kayaks for exploring the coastline, stand-up paddleboards that provide a great core workout, while you glide across the water, snorkeling gear with guided reef tours to spot tropical fish and maybe even sea turtles, and Hobie Cat sailboats for those who want to harness the wind. But here is where Sandals Halcyon Beach really stands out. Unlimited scuba diving is included for certified divers. Most resorts charge extra for scuba, but here you can dive as many times as you want, with professional dive masters leading trips to nearby reefs and dive sites. If you are not certified, they offer courses right at the resort. The beach setup includes plenty of loungers, some covered palapas for shade, and hammocks strung between palm trees that are absolutely perfect for afternoon siestas with the sound of waves as your soundtrack. Beyond lounging and water sports, Sandals Halcyon Beach offers a solid selection of activities to keep you entertained throughout your stay. The fitness center provides a well-equipped space for maintaining your workout routine with modern cardio machines including treadmills, ellipticals, and stationary bikes. Free weights ranging from light dumbbells to heavier options for serious lifters, yoga mats, resistance bands, and TRX suspension training systems. The center operates from 6 in the morning until 9 at night, giving early birds and night owls plenty of access. Daily group fitness classes include beach yoga sessions at sunrise that are genuinely magical as you stretch and breathe with your toes in the sand, beach bootcamp workouts for those wanting to break a sweat, and aqua aerobics in the pool. Personal training sessions are available for an additional fee if you want customized guidance. The resort also offers complimentary tennis courts, beach volleyball that gets competitive in the afternoons, and table tennis. Throughout the week, the activities team organizes mixology classes where you learn to make classic Caribbean cocktails like rum punch and mojitos, dance lessons featuring salsa and merengue moves, and even occasional cooking demonstrations where chefs share secrets behind their signature dishes. Water activities extend beyond the basics with guided snorkeling tours that take you to the best spots for marine life viewing, kayak tours along the coastline, and beach games like cornhole tournaments. Evening entertainment runs 7 nights a week with live bands playing reggae, calypso, and steel drum music that gets feet tapping, DJ dance parties on the beach, and weekly themed events. Friday nights feature a Caribbean carnival celebration with performers in colorful costumes, fire dancers, and limbo competitions that pull guests into the fun. Bonfires on the beach create romantic settings for evening cocktails under the stars. The resort also offers the unique Stay at 1, Play at 3 program, meaning guests at Halcyon Beach can use facilities and dine at 2 other Sandals properties on the island, Sandals Grand Saint Lucian and Sandals Regency La Toc. Complimentary shuttle service runs between properties, essentially tripling your dining and activity options during your stay. The Red Lane Spa brings serious relaxation to Sandals Halcyon Beach with a comprehensive menu of treatments designed to melt away stress and rejuvenate tired bodies. Spa facility includes 4 private treatment rooms where therapists work their magic, a dry sauna perfect for detoxifying, a steam room that opens your pores and clears your sinuses, a hydrotherapy tub with jets that massage sore muscles, and a peaceful relaxation lounge where you can decompress before or after treatments while sipping herbal tea. The spa operates from 9 in the morning until 7 in the evening, and booking ahead through the resort app or with the concierge is strongly recommended as slots fill quickly. The treatment menu covers all the classics and then some. Swedish massage uses long, flowing strokes to promote relaxation and improve circulation. Hot stone massage incorporates heated volcanic stones placed on key points of the body to release deep tension. Deep tissue massage targets chronic muscle knots and problem areas with firmer pressure. And aromatherapy massage combines essential oils with therapeutic touch. Facial treatments range from basic cleansing and hydration to more advanced anti-aging and brightening options using quality product lines. The signature Island Nourish treatment wraps your body in a blend of local ingredients like coconut, aloe, and tropical fruit extracts, letting you absorb the healing properties of the island itself. Couples can book side-by-side treatments in a dedicated couples suite, making for a wonderfully romantic experience. The spa also offers body scrubs that exfoliate and soften skin, manicures and pedicures for keeping hands and feet vacation ready, and hair services including braiding, which is popular for beach vacations. Prices are reasonable for a luxury resort spa, though products available for purchase carry about a 50% markup. Beyond the spa, wellness programming includes complimentary yoga classes held on the beach at sunrise and sunset, meditation sessions, and guided beach walks. The fitness center mentioned earlier integrates into the overall wellness philosophy with trainers available to discuss nutrition and healthy habits. Some guests note that the spa can feel slightly dated compared to newer resort spas, but the quality of treatments and skill of therapists consistently receive high marks in reviews. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.